Today I wanted to share a place that's become very important to me over the last few years, our family farm. My dad passed away in 2021 and my mom at the end of 2022. Since then, my 6 siblings and I have inherited this 22-acre property. It's not a large farm by prairie standards, but it's full of memories. There's the farmhouse, the garage, several outbuildings, and the land where our family spent many years together. Today, nobody lives here full-time, although I spent the past winter here, next winter as well. For the last 4 summers, I've come back and spent a few months at the farm. It's become a place where I can slow down, reconnect, and work on projects that help keep the property going. We rent about 9 acres out for hay, which helps maintain part of the land. Owning a property like this means there's always work to do, especially since it's an old one. In 2023, we decided to clean up the yard site with old metal cars, different structures that we no longer needed, and we made a few dollars for the farm. In 2024, one of the biggest projects was putting on a new roof. It was a major investment, but it protects everything underneath it for years to come. Water can be an issue here. We have always used water from our pond, but it got really low. So in 2024, we had to fill our existing pond from a pond that was half a mile away. It was a big job. We all had to get involved, and we had to set up the hose to pump the water from that distance. In future, we're planning to get connected to the county water, which will make maintenance much easier. In 2025, we put in a new septic tank for the farmhouse. It was well over 40 years old, so it was due for an upgrade. One thing I've really enjoyed is creating a garden here each summer. My mom had a huge garden when she lived here. There's something satisfying about planting seeds, watching them grow, and harvesting food on the same property where so many family memories were made. Sometimes people ask what the future of the farm will be. The truth is, we don't have all the answers. What I do know is that this place matters. It matters to all of us. It's where my parents lived. It's where our family grew up and still gather. And every repair, every project, and every season spent here helps preserve a piece of our family history. For now, I'm grateful to spend time here, care for the property, and make new memories. I'd love to know if any of you have inherited a family farm or a home or property. What challenges have you faced, and what has it meant to you? Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye for now.